undertook the half-day Bahrain tour covering 6 things away from Manama city. Mr. Mar was our guide for a half-day trip in Bahrain, and he was truly outstanding. His deep knowledge of the country, its history, culture, economy, and even the small details we were curious about, made the experience incredibly enriching. He explained everything with such clarity and patience that we left the tour feeling inspired and much more connected to Bahrain. I highly recommend Mr. Mar to anyone visiting. We are so grateful our paths crossed, and insha'Allah, we look forward to taking more tours with him during our future visits. Shukran jazilan, Mr. Maud, for an unforgettable experience. Wishing you continued success and blessings always, as-salama, salamati. Had pleasant exchanges through WhatsApp before the tour, and Mara was polite, courteous and very well versed from the beginning to the end of the tour. Prompt pickup, comfortable vehicle, and the tour was just the right amount of time, just over 4 hours. Mar was very well briefed, and even during traveling from site to site Mar educated us with relevant factual information. The tour consisted of visits to a camel farm, Bahrain F1 circuit, Bahrain's first oil well, the Tree of Life, a local pottery workshop. We never felt rushed, and there was ample time for interaction and taking pictures. Mar was a great host and couldn't be faulted. He even found time to go to a local garden center as we was trying to source a particular type of plant. Thank you, Mar. We had an amazing experience in Bahrain thanks to our guide Mar. From the moment we booked, he was very professional and sent us all the necessary information, which was very reassuring. Mar is very attentive and adapts perfectly to the group. He is also a great photographer and takes the time to capture beautiful memories. His kindness and excellent knowledge of the country's culture made the experience even more interesting. I highly recommend Mar to anyone looking to discover Bahrain in the best possible way. We were lucky enough to have the tour to ourselves. Having already visited the camel farm, our guide was happy to substitute it for the dhow-boat building, much to the delight of my father-in-law. Our guide was informative, witty, and even tried some German for the benefit of my in-laws who speak only a little English. All round we would wholeheartedly recommend this tour, especially to those who might find an all-day tour too exhausting. The best way to see the unique sights outside the city is experiencing it with a local. The half-day tour was much more than we expected, and we are so grateful for Mar for a fantastic experience. The tour description was accurate. We never felt rushed, stopped for some extra photo ops, and most importantly, the information provided to us during our drive times and at each location was very informative and appreciated. Undertook this tour as suggested by Salar concierge at Hilton Hotel. Well conducted by the young Indian lady. Never experienced a tour like this in my visits to the Middle East. The camel farm and visit to the first oil well and Tree of Life was excellent. When I sighted a beautiful dome and asked our guide, she told us it was a church and kindly let us visit the cathedral at Awali, a must-see. I really had a great time with Mar. He is very friendly and a great tour guide. He has many great facts about the country and he is clearly very passionate about what he does. My personal highlights were the camel farm and the burial mounds. I also feel the tour was good value for money.